Alright guys, Chicken Farm here, back with another video, and we're just, if you guys, I don't know if you guys can tell or not, it's my first time using a mic. I'm using my brother's mic because he just got one, and he bought it off Amazon, if you're wondering. So yeah, I'm looking, my brother will find me one to buy as well. I should be getting one pretty soon. Let me show you guys what it looks like real quick, just a little. Just a little mic, that's all. Anyway, let me adjust that back now. The babies are just chilling. One's laying down, one's doing whatever they want without mother bothering. And then we got the other chickens just dust bathing, doing their thing. And then we got Crewy. Mike, you're in the video, just so you know.
Great.
Crewy right there.
John, no.
They're just trying to figure out how to put the chicken harness on.
I think we put it on all wrong, dude.
Anyway, guys, they're dust bathing. Angel, I hope she's alright, because her foot's messed up. Her nail, anyway, so she has to watch what she's doing. We put a band-aid on it, but she'd be alright. Mom, do you think she's alright with her nail dust bathing?
Yeah. It's all covered and everything.
She looks like she's doing better. Yeah, she got this her broken nail. I don't know how she did. They're not long. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that. Mom, when are you supposed to get a, what you call it here?
What?
A fox exterminator.
I'm working on that.
Okay, thank you. Anyway, there's a harness. How many did we buy a harness?
3. They're $10 on Amazon.
Alright, you're at NBC News. Talk to me. She looks like she's trying to get out of it. There you go. We're walking our dog.
John, she's getting right out of it.
She don't like it, guys.
Backing out of it.
That's enough, John.
Okay, honey.
She doesn't like it. We're gonna take it off.
Yeah, I'm telling you, you don't have it on.
Honey.
Alright, guys.
We don't have it on right. It's all tangled.
Yeah, we're taking it. Whoa. Don't hurt her. We're taking it off. We're not hurting her. We're just taking it off. I don't have a clue where the babies went, but babies are in the run. I don't know where the other one went. There she is. I'm gonna close this until Mama comes back, because Mama can take care of them. Like, I don't want them getting out until Mama's with them, because but they're all right. First time my mom's in the video, probably. Anyway, I don't know if you guys think about this new mic. I'm kind of liking it, because
Completely wrong, but we'll figure it out when we get back.
yeah.
There's a new thing I don't even know.
Silky's getting better once her buddy's gone, as well as the other ones. Just hanging out. They've been hanging out a lot today together. Turbo and Silky have been getting along pretty good too.
Try this again.
No.
We put it on wrong.
So, yeah, I don't know what you guys think about this new mic. So please let me know, so I know, if y'all like it or not, if I should get one. If the comments are on, just let me know if I should get one.
Laugh, like no joke.
What, the chicken?
Like that, like laughter.
No, you're missing something.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, something's not right.
Can you be in the video, Ma?
Must I be? Oh, I know.
Alright, I'm just gonna get
Mom right here is the hero.
I'm not gonna get her
You
face in
gotta
it.
put it on this way.
Oh my gosh, that's what it's for. I'm such a
Oh, we put it on the wrong way, guys.
Like this.
So does I knew something was up.
Yeah, because we didn't have this through there like that. Now it's through.
This
Okay.
One flower?
There's flowers.
They like the flowers.
Flower?
Yeah, it's kind of like a little Glass. Glass.
She's scared, so she
You
won't
know
eat
how
it.
the dogs go?
Yeah.
We have
Yeah,
2 dogs, so 2
Kind of
laps.
like that.
She
Is
just
that
laughed
funny? Is that funny?
That's funny, yeah.
Is that funny?
Like I said, I knew she was on ABC News. NBC News. Speak to me, girl. Fake news.
You the fake news.
Chicken news.
You fake.
Yeah, chicken news.
She's a
The
faker,
chicken
Mom.
farm.
Chicken news.
Chicken Farm podcast coming soon.
No, that's a lot.
Let's get the leash off.
Guys,
Let's try this again.
I'm gonna pause this until we get everything situated, and then I can get back to you. So, thank you guys. See you in a second or so. We have good progress.
See?
So once we have it fully on, we'll get back to you. All right, guys, we have it on. Now we're just attaching the leash.
Let's go.
Now we're walking her.
She may not like it. She has to get used to it, guys. So don't say we're bullying her or something. Honey, please.
She just never had a leash on before.
It's very new to all of us.
There's-
I know. You're okay, sweetheart.
Can I walk? I never done it, please. Hold my mic in this.
No.
Then let the leash go.
Aw, Crewy, you're okay, honey.
There you go.
There you go.
She's running from us. That's funny.
Come on, let's go. Come on. This doesn't hurt. It's very light on you.
Look, she's running. Oh my god, that's cute. Joe, could you hold this so I can do it? Here, I got this.
Ready, run. Let's go.
She's running.
Hi. John, watch your wings. What's going on?
There you go. Be good now.
Wait a minute.
It tucked back under again.
Oh, there we go. Hold on.
Crewy.
Crew.
She doesn't like it.
Crew. Stop before you hurt your wing. Stop.
She doesn't like it, guys. Alright, guys. We tried on. We'll try it on different chickens. I don't know when.
Really high. You gotta.
Yeah, she doesn't like it, guys, so.
I'm gonna try another chicken that's not so hot.
Yeah.
And it's not gonna be the silky.
She's gonna go book it. This time, clip him out, she'll run. She'll go. There she goes.
Mom. Where did you go?
Just leave the silky alone. She's dust bathing. What?
She can't get back in.
I know.
Let her in.
Oh, yeah.
Freak out.
I'm gonna tell her not to right now. It's enough. They're hot.
No more. It's hot.
Anyway, guys, we're gonna get her in because she wants to go. We tried, but it didn't work too good. So, yeah. Alright, guys. We just got crew cut in. Yeah, we're trying to do other chickens. We just might take a break because they're hot. Just take a break for now, please.
Wanna put them away?
If you want. Let's give them a couple more minutes. Just let me go, guys, if you like the mic or not. Because I'm not the one watching this video. You guys are.
In the video for that mic or something like that, so.
I put it on bright. That's cool.
Film that.
Yeah, they're happy.
Chilling.
Alright, guys. I guess I'll see you guys later. But they're all doing good. So I'll see you guys later. Peace. Well, my brother's chasing a chicken. I'll see you later. Peace. And by the way, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I might give you a shout out in this video or next video, upcoming video. I meant. So this leave a comment that you subscribed, and I'll give you a shout out. See you later. Peace.